Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the stuff I got from Walmart. Please subscribe. So these are the stuff I got from Walmart. They're really cute, so I'm gonna unbox the Mickey one first. Okay, I got this Mickey Mouse one, so I'm gonna unbox it. Let's open this thing. The first one. Ooh, I got the... what are you gonna get? Scrooge. Second. The second one is a... Let me see. Date. This is my date one. It's not really my date, right? And this one, that's a box. The third one. So I got a... Let's see. Lucky Star. Oh, come on. I want the Mickey one, the big one. Oh, it's only 3. Oh, this is the stuff I got. So less. This is the stuff I have. It's so cute though, but I only have 3. Why can't I at least have 1? Bye.